Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on the best scene of the movie Jallikattu.
Yes, so this movie is a Malayalam movie.
Yes.
And the director is Lijo Jose.
Yes.
Okay, and this movie is like have the entry of 93rd Academy Awards, that is Oscar,
Oscar 2021.
So we are hoping that this movie should get that.
At least it will be a proud moment
Yes.
for India, right?
Yeah, Oscar award.
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started.
And also it has nominated for the best international feature film
Category,
So that
yeah.
was a great category.
Great
also. So
moment
lot of
for
the
India.
movies from all over the world it will come, and out of that let's see who wins the race.
Who
And
wins the
we are
race.
assuming that this movie should wins that race.
Yes, and this scene particularly, it is the best scene of the movie Jallikattu. So let's get started, and we are very much excited because
of course.
it is always a proud moment for India when India is getting represented in a big platform.
Yes,
right. As with Indian,
also with the Indian traditional things.
things. Yes, that is the main important thing.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's get started. We cannot waste any time. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Typical India's rural.
Oh my God.
Oh God, it was. Oh God.
A lot of the people they are getting hurt also, right? Whole strategy to capture it.
They cannot even calm the enemy down.
It's very tough also. Right?
Ah. So real, no?
And that breeze also, they are running.
What is happening? I don't understand. Wow, man.
So this is the a traditional festival you
Traditional
can say,
festival,
right? It's a
Jallikattu.
traditional kind of game also you can say, mostly played in Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
Huh.
So I think
At the time of Pongal,
yes,
at the month of
exactly.
January,
Yes,
yeah, it
yes,
is a
yes.
holy festival, you can say. And in that festival, one bull will be released into the crowd,
Yes.
and at a time, one person only will be trying to get ride on the bull and try to
The
touch
hump,
the
hump,
hump. Yeah. So
whoever hold it for longer time, I
hold
think,
is a longer time, and that time the bull should be mad,
make it calm,
make
right?
it they
Make
are
it
trying
calm
to make
also,
it
right?
calm, but the bull that time is not calm, because he itself, the bull
Of course,
itself,
bull itself,
is,
it will be roaring
is an
kind of.
animal, and seeing all of the crowd in front of its eye, it
Yes, and
become
also
mad.
seeing that red cloth and
Red
all,
cloth.
he gets too much instinct, right?
So this is a kind of festival. Many people died because of this.
Earlier, yes.
Many
Yes.
people die, and because of, you can understand, the whole crowd is trying to attempt to get right on the bull, and the
of
bull
course,
is a
bull
very
is too
big
violent,
and very violent, very strong. So it is a festival, and we respect all of the Indian
Yes.
festival. So this film is basically on that
On that only, yes.
and we saw that the bull is quite unmanageable,
big and
big,
too much furious. You can say.
furious, and people are trying. I didn't understand, like, at the very beginning I didn't understand what is happening. Then slowly I understood.
Because it's earlier, actually in the movie they have consist everything what used to happen earlier. In the beginning when it started this games and all, this tradition when it started, what used to happen. Nowadays a lot of the things got changed, and a lot of the guidelines is there, and you have to follow those things,
Follow
and
those
then
things.
you have to do it. Yes,
Yeah.
so that it will not harm any animal,
Any
also
animal.
not harm to any people also. So
I think
this
they have
happens,
they
right?
announced some bravery or prize money
Yes,
also,
of course.
for the participants. So
Yes.
that is actually a great thing.
And it's not about the prize money mostly.
No, this is
Nowadays it doesn't become, earlier it was
Earlier,
maybe
I'm telling,
it happens,
yeah.
right? But nowadays it's doesn't become so the prize and
Prize
all.
money
it's,
or bravery.
it's like a holy thing.
Holy thing for them.
Yes.
Yeah, that is what actually.
And if I'm not wrong, maybe it will be like acquiring over wrong injustice, something like that. Like
Some story will be behind that.
Whatever the festival we do, like Durga Puja and Kali Puja, it can be like that only. Like
it can be like that. I think it is kind of like Spain का जो एक festival है ना, bull race something is there, जो उस मूवी में था ना, जिसमें वो ऋतिक रोशन वगैरह थे, तो उसमें भी था ना, काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट, उसमें भी बुल था.
Yes, exactly. Those things were inspired by
Inspired by,
because Indian civilization
Indian is the oldest
oldest
civilization. People,
Yes.
Spain, Italy, सब हमारे से ही
Yes.
कॉपी करते हैं.
Exactly.
We are the oldest, क्या बोलते हैं, हिस्टोरिक कंटेनर, यू कैन से, कि हम कंटेन करते हैं वो हिस्टोरिक सब कुछ चीजें, एंड लोग आके कॉपी करते हैं.
And now also
That is
if you
what.
see the lot of the festival, it got originated in India only,
In India
and then
only.
it is spreaded all over the world.
Yeah.
So,
So
this
in
is
the
also
scene-
one kind of the thing.
One kind of the thing.
Yes,
हाँ.
and this is a scene.
ये
it was-
सीन में जो लास्ट में दिखाया ना, कि आई थिंक वो पर्सन मतलब सक्सेसफुली वो उस बुल को काम डाउन करने के लिए
yes.
ये हुए, ही वाज लाइक सक्सीडेड,
and everybody wants their name, like I have done it.
I have done it.
That's
They
why-
were trying to kill. Like it was a very messy kind of situation.
Yes.
People are jumping, and they were trying to there was a little bit blood and all over
it
on
was
his
showing that
face.
a lot of the people gets injured in this.
Injured in this,
also.
हाँ.
The total real kind of execution.
Real kind of
it was
execution.
there.
Like one person has killed, not killed, has succeeded to I think
Last
kill
week.
or what? वो क्या
Last
kill
week.
मार दिया क्या बुल को?
Yes, I think he was
I
dumping in
didn't-
that
dumping in
mud.
the mud.
Right?
हाँ. So I think one person got succeeded, and
Yes.
people are
It was winning over him.
winning over him.
Oh,
yes,
winning
मैंने
over
किया,
the-
मैंने किया.
Yes, right.
Yes. So this is a very haphazard situation, and it was showing so real, man.
Execution.
मैं देख नहीं पा रही थी. I was not able to watch this because it was looking like they have not trained or anything. It was completely happening in front of the eyes in some village.
It was feeling like they haven't done any rehearsal or anything. It was just at one shot.
One shot. Within one shot they have done it, and they have not, this is not shooting going on. It was looking like that.
Exactly.
We really enjoyed.
Just because of these all things, it got nominated for Oscar.
Also. Yes.
It's a totally pure form of execution, you can say.
I think this is a very controversial topic also to discuss, because if you see that dumping an animal into the mud and ground, people cannot take that very good way. अभी तो पेटा आ जाएगा बोलने.
It was happened, but nowadays it's there is no killings and all, right? It was old time when it was BC or something. During those time.
Yes.
So nowadays it's not happening. Nowadays everything is playing safely.
Yeah, it is kind of like sacrificing.
Yes.
If you see in very portions of major portion of West Bengal also, if you see at the time of Kali Puja or any kind of puja, bali चढ़ता है ना, sacrificing animals, that is also got banned totally. If you see here and there at the time of Durga Puja or Kali Puja, you can see that people are sacrificing some fruit, not the animal, because that is not good at all. Okay, so yes, that is a very controversial topic, and I think it is amazing to see by your own eyes. This is a masterpiece. To know more about our culture, to know more about our civilization. This is very important, and I think I will encourage each and everyone to
watch this
movie to understand the civilization. This is a Malayalam movie, by the way, but this culture or this ritual has got performed in Tamil Nadu.
Your culture is that it's very important
to understand each and every culture, not only Tamil Nadu ka culture and Malayalam logo ka culture. Each and every culture we should follow, because we are Indian.
At least Indian culture you should know. Because today if somebody from outside you say that you don't know this culture and that culture, at least we'll be in the state that we can defend our own culture. Right?
Exactly. I am still feeling goosebumps. I am feeling some thrill now also to visualize that scene which I just saw right now. The people are full on mud. Execution पूरा अंधेरे में था.
The other people,
it was superb, and it was not कि बहुत सारा light white लगा के. It was looking that you are watching something. You are seeing something in the village in not normal life, night time.
Yes.
Night time, क्योंकि छोटा वो था मशाल वगैरह जो fire ये सब था. My goodness, it was superb, man.
Yes, that's
we are hoping that it should get Oscar.
It should get Oscar, right?
Definitely. So that is it for today's video. I think if we are starting talking, it will get numberless time to talk about our Indian history, Indian culture, and this Jallikattu. Sorry.
Also, it was good to hear that Sorarai portrait that also got nominated for Oscar. Yes, that was super.
Yeah.
And a lot of the films from India getting recognized, and also that also from South.
Yes. We are so proud. That is it for today's video. If you have any suggestions about this movie Jallikattu, any movie scenes,
and also if
you want us to give reaction,
anything wrong or
definitely.
might be we are not from the South or from Tamil Nadu, so we may have some wrong context also. So if you are wrong anywhere, you can just guide us
and tell us in the comment bar. Yes. Okay, so I know that you all are our friends, our guiders, and everyone like us so much, so that is why we have full faith on you that you will not get mad on us. But that is it for today's video. We really enjoyed today's, it was a masterpiece. It was looking like a masterpiece, obviously, and it is a 10 on 10 from our side.
Yes.
We really enjoyed it, and we are hoping that you will also enjoy today's content. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.